Hi, my name is Kim Carmichael, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about loans. I know it can be confusing, especially if you're a first-time home buyer navigating all the acronyms. In real estate, we love acronyms, but they can definitely be confusing. So I'd love to tell you just some basic knowledge about different types of loans to get you started. First off, we have VA loans. Unfortunately, you can only qualify for these if you are a veteran or active member of the military. Definitely some big pros to this. You can put as little as 0% down, and then they also have some additionally waived closing costs. So if you are a veteran or part of the military, this is definitely a great option for you as far as buying your first home and getting in with as little as 0 down. Another super popular option is a conventional loan. You can put as little as 3% down. So for example, on a $300,000 house, you'd only have to put $9,000 down. Which is really awesome because you can use leverage. I mean, is there any other asset or thing that you can buy where you put 9,000 down and you get the bank gives you 300,000? So really cool to get started. That will have some additional closing costs, which kind of depend on the house and the price point and all of that. Third, also a great option is called your FHA loans. These are your traditional first-time home buyer loans. There definitely are some exclusions to income limits, how much you make a year, and then you can't have bought a house in the last 2 years. So even though it's technically called a first-time home buyer loan, even if you have bought a house in the past, sometimes you can qualify. So talk to your lender and see if that's possible for you. These loans, you can put as little as 3.5% down, but like any loan, it's going to depend on your credit and a few other factors. Last but not least, we have USDA loans. These are kind of a special type of loans that qualify for rural development areas. So for example, here in northern Colorado, Fort Collins has gotten too big that you're not going to be able to find a USDA loan. But if you're willing to go a little bit outside of the radius, when you're searching, areas like Milliken, some parts of Johnstown, Colorado, will allow you to get these special loans. Yeah, so 4 main types of loans for first-time home buyers: VA loans, conventional loans, FHA loans, and USDA loans. There's lots of different loan options, but to keep it simple, those are great for first-time home buyers. Just remember that it depends on your credit. You need to have a steady income, so whether you have a W-2 or you're self-employed, that kind of depends. So I always recommend talking to a lender to find out for your specific situation what works for you. I'd be happy to sit down with you and chat, or I can refer you to a local lender. Just let me know how I can help.